Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this screen flash intro video in the CapCut mobile. So here I've already imported a video that I want to set as my intro video. And if you want to do the same, just add the video first, and after that add two animations by clicking on the video. Click on animations, and under the in category, swipe until you find this screen flash animation. Click on that and adjust the durations to your liking. I'm going to go with 2 seconds. Then just click on the check icon. Then this will be the result of the screen flash animation. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.